Meet your magical fairy guardians. Alljoy CC presents 4 Seasons Flower Fairies.
Perfect for the holidays, a dress-up toy for kids. The magnetic flower fairy dress-up. My daughter plays for hours, forgets her screens. 4 seasonal themes. Each fairy has loads of outfits and accessories. They're magnetic, snap to dress. Crafted with care, premium feel, every outfit is stunning. Dress your fairy in favorite styles. Boosts creativity and sense of style. Endless fun, a break for moms.
Alljoy Seasonal Flower Fairies. More than a toy. A fairy tale in their hands. Collect the seasons. Start the magical journey. Join the fairies. Define your style. Alljoy CC Seasonal Flower Fairies. Begin your dream collection.